Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, where everything is made with love in every stitch. And we are here today for the word of the day with Create with Becca. This is video 16. The word of the day for November 23rd is bell. So, what can we do? Okay, so I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to try and sketch a bell. Here's the round part on the bottom. And we're going to take it, curve it like that. Come back here, curve it there. And then we have this piece here. The hook for the bell. And the little ball that rings the bell. I don't know what they call it, but that's my take on it. So, I'm just going to make it a little darker. And straighten this out a bit. I want this a little bit thicker. So you see, the prompts don't have to be that big of a project to work. Like so. And you have your bell. Whoops. I see this part right here. Let me fix that. And there you go. You have a bell. So this is the bell for November 23rd from the word of the day was created with Becca. So this is my take on the word of the day. So thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. Please be blessed, be kind, be safe, be crafty, be careful, be blessed. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And bye-bye for now.